Hey, hey, how's your journey? How you living? I hope something happened to you today that makes you smile. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Since you're here, will you do me a favor? Will you go ahead on and hit that subscribe button? It's right down there. Will you go ahead on and hit it? Let's be friends. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Well, I committed somewhat. I'm going to go ahead on and try. I'm trying to do a video or vlog every day for the month of June. So you have to be super duper creative on what kind of content you're going to do every day. Every day. I'm not going to shop every day, and I'm definitely not going to do makeup every day. So those two things are definite out. So then what is there left to do? I could shop my stash. I could go in and show you makeup that I have never used before, but I have bought and I'm still loving it. I just haven't used it before. But I could do that with shoes. I could do that with clothes. I could do that because I learned many years ago to take care of myself. And one of the things that I call taking care of myself is to buy myself some of the things that I love, and surround myself with things that I love. And another thing that I learned was don't purchase things that you don't like. Don't leave in your home things that you don't like or that you don't love. If you don't love it, get rid of it. If it doesn't speak to you, if it doesn't make you smile, don't have it in your atmosphere, in your personal area. If you want to smile, if you want to be happy, then surround yourself with things that make you happy, things that make you smile, things that don't make you sad. Don't clutter up your closet, clutter up your desk, clutter up your whatever your living space is. Go ahead on and do not clutter it up with things that you don't like. If it doesn't speak to you, then you should not do it. I'm not a sweat pants t-shirt, even though I do have on one. I'm not a collector. I don't have a lot of t-shirts. I don't have a lot of sweatpants. I don't have a lot of tennis shoes because it's just not who I am. The things that make me happy are literally, I'm one of those, what's becoming an average woman now is because I know a lot of women that like shoes. I love shoes. I love handbags. I love makeup, those kind of things. So I can really surround myself with those kind of things that make me happy. So those things make me happy. So I want to encourage you to surround yourself with things that make you happy. Don't go into debt doing it. Don't spend your rent money doing it. Don't spend your tithe and your offering doing it. Don't spend your baby's money doing it. Don't look better than your children while you do it. I've never done that. I've never done things like that. I don't spend my light bill money, my gas bill money, and all of my credit cards are at a manageable rate. I'm not overextended. So when you see me shopping, or you see me showing you things that I have purchased, and especially when I do a shop my stash and you can see how much makeup I really have, I don't want to brag or boast or make anybody think that I'm living large or I'm living outside of my income or anything like that. It's nothing like that. I am of a particular age and I know how to manage money. I know how to do that. So believe me, I am not spending any bill money to live or to buy or to be surrounded by the things that make me happy. And I encourage you not to do so as well, because being debt-free does make me smile. So I jumped on here today to show you that I purchased a new purse not too long ago. So I said I would do like a purse unboxing. And I have pulled all of the paper and everything that comes inside of the purse. I just now pulled it out. And I'm going to show you a bag that is called Jet Set Travel. It's called a Jet Set Travel bag, and the designer is Michael Kors. It is a tote. I didn't bring my tablet in here, so I can't look it up. I should have looked it up so that I could read the rest of the information off, but I didn't. It is called a tote. It's black. And it does have the signature fabric. And this is what it looks like. It is travel friendly, meaning that the inside of it is padded so that you can carry your phone safely, or your tablet, or your a laptop wouldn't fit in here, but a tablet, it would carry it very safely. It is also known as a tech-friendly bag. Tech-friendly bag. If you have a bag and it says tech-friendly, it means that you can store your phone in here. So if you drop your purse, it's a cushion. The zipper part on the inside is cushioned, and I'm going to show you that as soon as I show you the inside of the bag. But it does have the signature print on here, and I'm trying to position myself so that I can show you the bag in its totality. So that's what the bag looks like. That's the bottom of the bag. And it does have the 4 silver feet on the bottom so that it doesn't sit on the floor. This is considered the front of the bag. And it does have the Michael Kors sign, or emblem rather, that hangs from it. It does have a double strap, and it is a double buckle strap. And it does have that on either side. It is trimmed in the same leather, and it does have black stitching on the front. So moving to the inside of the bag, I'll give you an overview of the inside of the bag. It does have the black lining, and the black lining is embossed with the designer's name, Michael Kors, of course. It does have a middle. It does have a middle zip, and that's the tech-friendly part of the bag, where you can put your tablet or your phone, and it does have a cushion in there. These are the stock cards that tell you the name of the bag, the price of the bag, and it does have the other information from the store on the bag. On what's considered the back part of the bag, you can see that it does have some storage in there. This is a zipper part for you to put any change or zip your purse, your phone, or anything up in there. And it does have 2 compartments right there where you can sit your keys, or you can sit your lipstick. Anything that you don't want to dig for, you often put it in those compartments. So it also does have this clasp here. If you see that, hope you can see it. It has this clasp here, and when you clasp it, you can prevent the bag from, let's see if I can do it. There. You can prevent all of your items from falling out of the bag, and then that's what it looks like. Because it has that tech-friendly zipper compartment in the center, that helps it gather there on the side, which gives it another detailed look. I do like this bag. This is the bag that you would definitely carry on an interview. On an interview, maybe if you're traveling and you need to put some extra things in there, or if you just like a big bag but not necessarily a dump bag, because you can reach right in here, and it does have the divider there, which eliminates it being which eliminates it being a really dump bag, like a hobo bag. So what else on the back side? On the back side, it is the same. On the back side, it is the same thing. It has compartments. Let me see. Sorry about that. On the back side, it does have the same compartments there. And it has 3 compartments for you to put anything that you don't want to have to dig for in the bag. The price of the bag, the manufacturer suggested retail price of the bag is $258. And of course, I did not pay that for the bag. I got it heavily discounted because I know somebody that knows somebody. So I did get a discount on the bag. But this is what the bag looks like. I am proud of my purchase. This is just one of a few. I'm really not a big Michael Kors fan, but since I got it at such a deeply discounted price, I went ahead on it and got it because I needed a black bag that will go, like I said, on interviews. It'll go traveling, really easy to, you know, to just snatch up and go. So I kind of like that black for business, for church, for things like that. It's a dressy bag. It's definitely not an everyday bag, but I did enjoy my purchase. So thank you for stopping by and examining my new bag with me. I hope that you come back and see me. Hit that subscribe button, and there's a little bell next to the subscription button that lets you know when I upload. Now I'm going to try to upload every day in June. So like I said, thanks for stopping by. Let's talk about it. Let's be friends. Come back and visit me. Thank you so much. And as I say all the time, you only get one journey, so journey well. Thank you.